Manipuri Hindus celebrate Chairauba. Ogri Hangen Chongba revive on the eve of Chairauba at Kwakathel Thaunaunjam Laikai. People from different walks of life offer tributes at various memorials on Athoba Singinumit. And more than 200 loaded trucks are stranded on Tidim Road as they are not allowed to unload at FCI Godown. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Tanshibam Sangeeta with top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipuri Hindus today celebrated Charak Puja Sajibu Chairauba with traditional and religious fervor and enthusiasm. The festival is mainly celebrated in the valley. As a tradition, people prepare special dishes and offer them to God. Families also offer the dishes placed on beautifully arranged banana leaves along with seasonal fruits and flowers to local deities at their gates. They also share the preparation with their neighbors. Married women go to their parental house to present Chairauba gifts to their parents and brothers in the afternoon. As part of the celebration, people climbed the nearby hills and offered prayers in the afternoon. People of all ages from various parts of the state climbed Chingmairong Cherauching at Thangmaiban. Indian Red Cross Society opened first aid post at the foothill to provide first aid to injured climbers. Members of Manipur Children Club provided seats for the climbers at the club.
Sahi khudingi ahogi afaba nuaiba ko awalaiba angangsing ko adagi laiba Chairauba numisida kana tauba laiba mi mayam sida yaifa paujel bizari
Chairauba sida singkaba mayam sigi akhoi kumdarak pada khong leitek ba tusan ba ko sitpa adu mayam singsi adagi yam sabanina dehydration tawdana kok ngauba ada nahi tawba adu gasi attend tawi
maruina angang mayam gi damakta manpur gi angang mayam se moi pathabam khangdaba moigi tasena moigi mafam halai tabagi aina sin madi angang mayam damakta semjagi bani hai bangasi chirau sin kar pada mayam na ngasi sangbil tan pathabiri banga mayam na harau jaba si yam nungai jai
punsi nungchang na pan mangam jaba loina na irei pak ikida lai jari bai irei ja khudi ma nungsi chanaba hai badun mioi bagi thamoi nungda aikhogi thamoi nungda pibi ba ado aikhoina ishwar gi mafam da chu malem ima gi mafam da chu haijari loina na yangthi hangoi na punama aikhoi ngasi dagi hauna thadok minarachi adu oragadi lakadar kumja asida shanti laigani nungai abi marang kaina ingna tapna pan mangamga.
Ogri Hangen Chongba, which has almost vanished from Manipur, was held on the eve of Chairauba. The event was organized by Kwakathel Thaunaunjam Laikai Development Association yesterday. Wearing traditional dress, participants took part in the Ogri Hangen Chongba. Artists of Sanakuthek Manipur Culture Academy, Sagulban also performed traditional dance depicting Ogri Hangen Chongba. Secretary of THDLA, Thongam Nobo Maitai said the event was organized to introduce the old tradition to the younger generation with the objective to preserve it.
Ipai puna thambiramba sanabi sanalonja singdu mangi gadawre adubu akoi lekai sina akoi lekai gi mogu singsiga kusamna rakanda adung laba akoi kajum khangja dragasu lekai gi ahalaman gi suggestion longja rakanda masigi ipai puna thambiramba potu khajik tawro basu akoi lekai sina me khatpa ngamna bai dangta masigi akoi phabal sina लेबाक पुनमक्ता मेसेज अमा पिनिंगबगी पादमदा ngasi ekoi thabal sinjabani.
Athoba Singye Namit Martyrs Day was marked today with a large number of people thronging the Chingmairong Cherauching Thamaiban in Imphal West to offer floral tributes at the Memorial Complex of Martyrs of the banned Revolutionary People's Front. People paid tribute to the PLA men who were killed in Kodom Pokpi in an encounter with the Indian Army on 13 April 1982. Tributes were also paid to other PLA cadres killed in different encounters. The families of slain PLA cadres, friends, people from different walk of life and communities gathered at the Cherauching since 8 in the morning to pay their tributes. Compared to previous years, the function was organized peacefully this year under the strict vigil of Manipur Police. It is worth mentioning that Families Committee for Observation of 13 April filed a petition in the High Court of Manipur after frequent interruptions in observing the day, following which the High Court gave direction to allow the function to be observed from 8 a.m. till 4 p.m. on 13 of April every year. People also paid tributes to the 9 cadres of Revolutionary People's Front (RPF) at Kodom Pokpi in Imphal West and Tekcham in Thobal district. The cadres were killed in an encounter between the People's Liberation Army and the Indian Army this day in 1982 at Kodom Pokpi. A large number of people gathered at the memorial at Kodom Pokpi and Tekcham to offer their respect to them. Thousands of people gathered at the memorial since early morning. A large number of police personnel maintain a strict vigil to prevent any untoward incident.
अखोई मैम पुनः से ऐसा मत ओइना हेकल लेकतम दना ngasi damakta moi atma santi gi damakta yumbu na su dada hoina su na hamuk tawbo phangdaba मैम handak tawrokpa se sigi damakta thagatsari
haukiba matamdu dei horaga ngasi bawda aina hai lai amta dorsu miyang gi oina kachabaji ngasi bawda leptana dum chatharjana kachare.
Like in the past, the observance was also held in Jiribam. People offered flowers at the memorial at Chingdong Lekai in Jiribam since early morning. Meanwhile, RPF has thanked the people for taking part in the observance of Athoba Singye Namit at various memorials, especially at Cherauching. In a press release, Secretary Publicity RPF Robin Kuman said the observance was also held in Council Headquarters, General Headquarters, Tactical Command, Strategic Command, 252 mobile battalions and other units. Thamaiban MLA Kumokcham Joykishan today appealed to all to shun the habit of abusing intoxicants and strive together for a healthy society and save the generation. Speaking at the inauguration of a new branch of Animal Gym at Thamaiban Sinam Lekai, Joykishan added that the step to open a new fitness center is laudable and it will surely inculcate a sense of healthy life among the youths. MLA Joykishan also urged all to spend some time in the gym to keep healthy and stay away from intoxicants.
Manipur Ladiba, Naharo Singsida, Yamna Satina, Laichet Amanaduna, Manipur Naharo Punimuk Mangli Bese, Hojik drug Amas Nishasina Vibesini. Aduna Asum Lava Sati double Lainas degi, Kanba Gamlava Pambai Habsidi, Kwahachang Pana, Leba, Nishadagi Lamna Lab Habesini. Aduna Sugumba, Active Jungumba, Jim Mamam Hangdro Pasina. Not yet Lady Ba Narol Kada masa mau fan lehening ba aduga nishadagi lapna lehening ba si poi.
More than 200 fully loaded trucks are stranded on Tidim Road and FCI Godown Road as they are not allowed to unload at the FCI Godown Sangai Pro. The trucks loaded with rice and wheat are stranded for more than 20 days. It may be recalled that there was a protest 3 days ago against the refusal to unload the different items at the FCI Godown. Sources told Impact News that the government has not so far taken away the quota for the month of April, which was supposed to be removed from the FCI Godown by 31st of March. The sources also said, as the Manipur government has not made the deposits for the rice and the wheat, the items cannot be taken away as there is no release order. Most stranded trucks are from Jiribam, Dimapur and Golaghat, Assam. Some of the drivers have returned home leaving behind the trucks as they face financial constraints. The drivers who have stayed back are also facing a number of problems. Drivers and handymen of the stranded truck said they are facing a lot of inconveniences as the officials of the godown have not allowed them to unload the items. Contractors also said the refusal to unload the rice and wheat has caused serious problems.
Godown jam ni do khoi na di yeng bada godown jam na te ba ado moi contractor mayam ga ngangna ga moi su masai gari leinai ba moi di la ga masai gari khali tawna ga chakhare ba khoi matung da la paso
किसी का टिपल नहीं कमजोरी है माल बेच रहा है माल यहाँ में पलटा हुआ है डैमेज हो रहा है गाड़ी को अंदर घुसता है निकलता है खाने उने का प्रॉब्लम है
गाड़ी FCI लेके आया है अभी तक ना तो इन लोगों ने खाली की है ना ये लोग कोई सुनाई करता है तो ना इधर लेटरिन जाने को अब ना बाथरूम जाने को ना पानी लेने को कोई सकता है रोड के ऊपर हम लोग खड़ा है कोई माल तार ले कुछ कर ले तो हमको कोई जिम्मेदारी नहीं है इसमें तो कितना चेर हम लोग इसको रखेंगे गोदाम तो नहीं है गाड़ी है
Fingerlings were released at the Thanga Haureng Chingsang Point with the aim to increase fish production in Loktak Lake. The program organized by Fishery Department Manipur was funded by National Fisheries Development Board, Hyderabad. Fingerlings of fishes like rohu, mrigal, katla, common carp and pingba were released at the Thanga Haureng Chingsang Point. Local leaders, officials of Fishery Department and Loktak Development Authority Manipur attended the function. Renowned Manipuri theatre personality Sanakya Haurokcham Ibotombi passed away this morning following an illness. Born on 5th September in 1946 at Kesampa Thokchum Lekai, Sanakya Ibotombi was a graduate in theatre direction of National School of Drama, New Delhi. He was involved in the promotion of art, culture and literature of Manipur. Several well-known artists of the state paid their last respect to the late theatre personality. Manipur student community Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi has condemned the assault of 6 Muslim students on March 25th and killing of 2 Muslim students on April 7th by a mob. In a press release, the student body urged the civil societies, political parties, student organizations, human rights activists, Mairapaibi organizations to probe the incident and to punish the culprit to prevent such crimes in future. Komdram Premjit Singh, also known as Birjit from Oripok Narenthom Khulem Lekai, is missing since he left his house on 11th of April around 5 p.m. 44-year-old Komdram Premjit Singh is mentally challenged and cannot speak properly. He is about 5.9 feet tall and has a wheatish complexion. He left his house wearing dark blue trouser, t-shirt, brown jacket and a yellow sandal. Komdram Prem Kumar Singh, father of the missing person, has appealed to inform Lamphel Police Station or him at Oripok Narenthom Khulem Lekai in case of any information. It's time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Classic Hospitality Training Institute now offer Tawzari 3 special job-oriented courses to launch your career. 6 months course in front office operations, food and beverage service, housekeeping operations, level 1 diploma in hospitality operations, level 2 diploma in food preparation and culinary arts. Free counseling session from Monday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Hena Kupamarol Gidama contact Tobiu Classic Hospitality Training Institute, Babina Diagnostic Building, 3rd floor, Rims Road, Imphal.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. If trained properly, dogs can be of great help to men. Trained dogs have become a good and faithful companions for men. We bring you a report.
have a special chemistry with humans that goes back many tens of thousands of years. To strengthen the bond between dog and human, one man is working day and night on training of dogs. Former police personnel Konsam Nandakishore has started a dog academy at Tangkham in Pangai. He has trained more than 1,000 local and foreign dogs.
Tracker gi explosive narcotics anti-exmer training makan khara phangjari koina ado maruina koina department da leingai matamda in narcotics ta leibu matamda samangna koi huji leriba inspector oina pubiriba kogi ngon palabada keranjit koi malomdagi magaloneraga magi instruction makhada hui makoina sana koi narcotics training torga akoina sizinaki isimin kyam phangi
Konsam Nandakishore underwent dog training in Madhya Pradesh, sponsored by the Home Department, with an aim to establish a dog squad in the police department. Although the police department is yet to have a dog squad, Nandakishore is using his skills to train dogs. Dogs trained by the academy has won many medals in dog shows.
Koigi Huransi Digi Matang Huin Mayama Koigi Nakseli and the Isamaki, the Mukta Hui Sagi bodyguard Yamuro, Yum the Sang Pami Bobo, even Agi Huina, Koigi, Sangi Miji, no Pai Pai, she become Adun Maji, police department you and so Masi department you as Makatana di, Taroki in Kali, at the Hujipogi di lately, Ado Makata, but the police department is Koigi. आर्मी की करी की तौर पर सुमायना मोई पोस्ट को दी मगता कोई एक्सप्लोसिव के नारकोटिक्स की तौर का चेक तो उतना कोई याम बद्रक में याम फारी याम एक्सप्लोसिव में याम फारी अदु मसी कोई पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट जो मसी की पोस्ट लखो पिरगदी कोई लेरिबा कमांडो यूनिट सिंह जी देता मायना ट्रेन तो हुई सिंह जी हैंडलर सिंह जी थम तम याम कानन है वो कम से थम से
Manipur lies in the midst of Golden Triangle area, coupled with law and order problem. The state is prone to smuggling of drugs and other contraband items. Nandakishore says the problem of drug smuggling can be effectively prevented if the state has its own dog squad. He also says that dogs will help the police department in maintaining law and order in the state.
Explosive kida, narcotics kida, kida, loina training ji yaw bungamba. Almai yaw bungamba matam ji da koi na ꯊꯥ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯕꯦꯁꯂꯥ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯨꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯨꯏꯗꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯁꯤꯞ ꯅꯥꯔꯀꯣꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯣꯁꯤꯞ ꯅꯥꯔꯀꯣꯇꯤꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯨꯏꯅ ꯃꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯐꯥꯍꯟꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯒꯨꯜ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯛꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ 100ꯇ 100 ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯏꯌꯥꯔꯄꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯗ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯅ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯨꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡ ꯆꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ
State Home Department sent 8 member dog trainer to Madhya Pradesh Tikempur in the year 1987 so that state can have a special dog squad team. But the plan was never materialized. On the other hand, the prevailing law and order situation of the state and Manipur being international border state, it is very important that state should have a special dog squad team. With camera person P. Bobo, this is Bhakta Trambam reporting for Impact News, Imphal.
In good news for farmers who are mainly dependent on monsoon, this year the country is expected to receive good rainfall. The India Meteorological Department has predicted that the southwest monsoon rainfall will be more than normal in 2016. Briefing reporters in New Delhi yesterday, Director General of IMD Lakshman Singh Rathore said the monsoon rainfall is likely to be 106% of the long period average. In reply to question, Rathore said this year the rainfall will be 6% more than normal, which was 14% deficient in 2015. The country had received deficient rainfall in the last 2 consecutive years. And in sports, Royal Challengers Bangalore began their IPL campaign on a rousing note, defeating Sunrisers Hyderabad by 45 runs in Bengaluru last night. put into bat, Royal Challengers lost the wicket of Chris Gayle in the second over, but the blistering partnership for the second wicket between skipper Virat Kohli 75 runs and AB de Villiers 82 runs helped the local side amass 227 for 4. In reply, Sunrisers Hyderabad were able to score 182 runs for the loss of 6 wickets in 20 overs. For Sunrisers, David Warner was the top scorer with 58 runs. Kolkata Knight Riders will take on Mumbai Indians at Eden Gardens in Kolkata tonight at 8 p.m. And in hockey, two-day CRPF Inter-Battalion Hockey Tournament concluded at the Loktak Project 32 CRPF Battalion Campground. 32 Battalion defeated 69 Battalion 3-2 in the finals. Addressing on the concluding day, CRPF Imphal Range DIGP Sunil Kumar Rai said, Manipur produces many talented sportspersons despite the lack of good infrastructure. Tongbram Subol Memorial Veteran Cricket Championship will begin on the 16th of this month. Organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association at Langtabal Public Ground, the 40-over tournament will have Model Club B Changamkha Team A and Team B, Cham Khayampally, DSU Kwaikathel, KSC Lambulen, Imphal West Veteran Cricket Club, Napsa Kha Imphal and Cyclone Thangmaiban. Mama FC Nepra Menjor, 4 young star Tera Sapamlerak and BS Enterprises Hairangwethong defeated their rivals today in the league matches of the 7th Late S. Amuba Singh Football 6-a-side Men's Open Football Tournament hosted by Youth Bright Star Club Tera Sapamlerak Nomaitham Lekai at their ground. Mama FC Nepra Menjor defeated Punsiba FC Patsoy 3-1. In the 8th league played in the afternoon, 4 young star Tera Sapamlerak defeated Salai FC Bangalore 3-2, while in the 9th league, BS Enterprise Hairangwethong defeated FFC Naikhalong 4-3. There will be 3 league matches tomorrow. Northeast United Football Club have selected 23 boys from Northeast, including 13 boys from TH Veer Chandra Singh Football Academy, Tabungkok, during a football trial held in Guwahati. The selected football players will be given coaching in the Mumbai finale. Qualified players will be then given ISL scholarship to help them in their education. I6 Konjenglekai, YDA Onam and 7-star Langtawal defeated their rivals today in the Senator Okram Memory State Level 4-a-side Under-21 football tournament. In the 5th league match, I6 Konjenglekai defeated WVSD Wycombe Lekai 3-1 in the 6th league. YDA Oinam defeated NFC With that, it's a wrap in this edition of Primetime English News. Before we end, a look at the headlines once again. Manipuri Hindus celebrate Chairauba. Ogri Hangeng Chongba revive on the eve of Chairauba at Kwakathel, Thonajom Laikai. People from different walks of life offer tributes at various memorials on Athoba Singhi Numit. And more than 200 loaded trucks are stranded on Tidim Road as they are not allowed to unload at FCI Godown.